Hello, it's the middle of May, and at my local station I have seen right here in front of you a Crossrail train. This is the first time I've seen one in the flesh, as all previous times were photograph or footage on the news. But this is the actual Crossrail train. I'm about 5 metres away from it. This is Abbeywood Station. So this is the terminal in the south-east branch of the Elizabeth line. I've got to go briefly because I'm waiting for a train, so I might rush off rather quick. This is it from the side a bit more. There's no driver there, and there's one red light on. There's another angle. You can see the colour scheme more, I think, here. It's like light grey and lilac. It's 14th of May 2020 for the record, coming up to 4 p.m. I don't think this stuff mind me filming. I'll go the other side. It looks very narrow there. That's a bit better for the other side. This is for the stairway down to the actual platform. As you can see, it's locked. I think this is my train coming, so I better go. Goodbye.
This station is Abbeywood.
I'm in first class.
This train terminates at Kentish Town.
I'm not meant to be here.
We will be calling at Plumstead, Woolwich Arsenal, Charlton, Westcombe Park, Maze Hill, Greenwich, Deptford, London Bridge, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, and Kentish Town.
Lots of seats. I'm looking for a window seat that's unobstructed. That's my favourite kind. See, here you got that bit in the way. This is good, but it's you got this thing here, the backrest. This is okay. I never actually sat in this type of seat. This is the luggage rack. By the way, this is a Thameslink train, so it looks different to the one I'm normally on when I do filming. And there's the Crossrail train across the platform. I suppose I'll stop filming when I'm finally past the train. Oh, there's another train there on the other side. There's two Crossrail trains. Incidentally, further ahead on this, there's some sort of support system infrastructure for Crossrail. It's further along this line to the right, which is the direction the camera is pointing into, fortunately. I suppose I could film that as it's connected. There's some overhanging apparatus there, you can see. And there's the Crossrail thing I mentioned earlier. And there's some like yellow maintenance trains. There's a warehouse. Yeah, it says Elizabeth line on it. And there's another one. See, that proves that it's to do with Crossrail. Now that there, that's an old Victorian structure. The rest of this is to do with
We will shortly be arriving at Plumstead.
Train maintenance and things like that. Right, I don't think there's anything more to show regarding Crossrail and the present day. Anyway, that's it then. Goodbye.